Hi everyone. So today I'm doing something different. I'll be introducing all the products that I'll be using for this makeup look today that I want to create. I'll be doing that so that you will see that I'm using affordable products. I have not grown big for me to start purchasing all the products that are quite expensive. So for now I'm using an affordable product. And mind you, some of these products that I'm using, I have had them for like years, like a year, 2 years. And also all my makeup brushes, and they are not new, my dear, they are not new. This is me telling you that with whatsoever you have, you can do your makeup. And so without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So to starting off, this is my setting spray. It's Kiss Beauty setting spray. Honestly, I love this, and it's always a go-to. And this is my all day primer. This is I don't know if you can see it very well. This is La Girl Face Infinity primer, and this is the primer I've been using honestly for 3-4 years that I've been doing my makeup. This is the primer I've been using, and honestly it's always worked for all skin type. um and this is uh my foundation. Okay, Diva Beauty foundation. Sometimes I do mix this foundation with another one, but it's not close to me right now. Maybe on my another video I will introduce it. This is affordable. All right, and this is my contour and my concealer. Okay, Jacqueline True Skin. I don't know if I have, I think, yeah, Jacqueline. This is what I'm using. Okay, I think it's in shade 709 and 507. This is what I'm using for my concealer and my contour. And for my liquid blush, this is what I'm using. I use this for my liquid blush, and I use it also for my lipstick. See, when I got this thing, I think it's 2 years ago or 3 years ago. I can't really remember. If you are going into makeup, I would advise that you buy products that you know that it will help you in so many ways. Like you see this, I can't remember buying any other lipstick. I'm a nude girl kind of lipstick person, but you see this, any color I want to do, I use this to do it. Okay, any color of lip combo and blush that I want to do, this is my go-to. And for my powder palette, this is what I'm using. This is a mic color. I don't know if I'm right. This is my, as you can see, some of it has already finished at some point. Okay, because I use it regularly. I use it more than I use normal powders and all those things. Okay, now coming out strong is my eyeshadow palette, right? This is eyeshadow palette I'm using. Okay, it's in Jacqueline. Okay, it's in the name has cleaned off from the back, but when you open the inside you see Jacqueline, right? So this is the, if I tell you how old this foundation, this eyeshadow palette has been, see, when you invest in good products, it will last you long. I kid you not. So this is my first eyeshadow palette, and I got this one not quite long ago. I don't think it's up to a month or so that I got this one. This is what it looked like. Okay, I try as much as I can to invest in good products and something I can use multi-purposely and all that. But you see this, I'm not quite satisfied with this one. I will not lie to you. I'm not so quite satisfied with this, the way I am with this. Okay, because I don't think this one is so pigmented. And again, because I don't like a shouty stuff, I thought that some of this nude color that is here doesn't contain shimmer the time I got it, but it does contain shimmer. So at the end of the day, I'm going to buy another product, another eyeshadow palette that will give me all the nude color that I need for my transition colors and all that, depending on the look that I'm going for. But if I'm going for a colorful look, this can do. But you see, when you want to blend out all those things, this is not really it. honestly speaking. So what again? Okay, this is Black Opal. The cover has points. This is not really my shade. Sometimes it doesn't give me what I want, but I still manage it though until I get much money to get other product that I really want to use. So this is it. Now I'm coming to my brush palette. Yeah, brush this thing. Yeah, this is my brush. Honestly, these brushes are old, but you know what, they still serve me properly. Yeah, my what's it called, eyeshadow brushes are here, powder brushes are here, and they serve me so well, honestly. So coming to my, this is my eyelash. Yeah, and this is my glue. This glue is for hair, but I use this for my eyelash and it gives me well, because you know why, once I apply and when I want to remove, I remove easily. Yeah. I forgot to show you guys, this is my under eye eyeliner, and this is my lip pencil, right? This is Davis, I mean, this is Davis pencil, and I love it. I'm going to get other shade of this, but not really now. And I'm also using Davis eye pencil for my brows. I haven't really ventured into using what is it called, I don't know, anything pickle. This is it. Now there's this investment that I made that I felt so bad. Hold on, I'm coming. So you guys, you know, when you'll be doing your makeup, you need to prep your eyes before you do your eyeshadow. So I got this. This is Kiss Beauty eyeshadow base. Honestly, it's really bad. Really bad. You can't even use it. Honestly speaking, I've tried it. This has been in my box for like a year plus. I couldn't use it. So yesterday, I have to venture into something else. Okay, this is Elegance Beauty eyeshadow primer. This is it. I have to touch it and try it so that I will not make same mistake again. And this is it. Honestly, this is it. Okay, this is my beauty sponge and beauty blenders and all those things. Yeah. And before I start my makeup, my serum, after my serum, my my moisturizer, after my moisturizer, then my sunscreen, then after that I can now apply my um my, oh Jesus, my primer. Okay, that is the steps. These are the products I use for my makeup. As you can see, they are affordable products. So what I will tell you from experience is this: when you want to venture into makeup products as a beginner, please venture into something that you can use, or something that can serve you in so many ways. Honestly, these things I show you, I use them like. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. If you're not my subscriber, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a good video, like tutorials that I always do, you'll be the first to know. See you. Bye.